This P0524 repairing video is dedicated to Chrysler's drivers. If your Chrysler is getting a P0524 error code, this video is going to show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0524. It indicates that the engine computer reads a signal from the sensor that is either too high or too low in relation to the manufacturer's parameters. Here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Chrysler's P0524 error code.
Method A, oil change. Locate the oil drain plug on your vehicle and place an oil collection pan underneath it. Use the socket ratchet to remove the plug from the oil pan on your vehicle. Once the plug is removed, the oil should start flowing out into your collection pan. Once all the oil is drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it back on. The oil filter is usually located beside the oil pan, or under the hood of your vehicle near the engine. Place the collection pan under the filter. There would be oil in the filter itself that could be hot, so it is important that the oil goes into the collection pan. Spread a bit of fresh oil evenly on the new filter's gasket. Then install the new oil filter. Tighten the filter an additional 3/4 of a turn. Be sure not to over-tighten. To fill the vehicle with fresh oil, you should first locate your oil fill cap at the top of the engine. Clean the cap before removing it. Take the cap off and place the funnel into the opening. Add the amount of oil specified in your owner's manual, and then replace the cap. After the oil change, start the engine and let it run for a minute to bring your oil pressure up, and recheck your oil level. To check oil levels, pull the dipstick out and clean it off. Replace the dipstick, and pull it out again. The oil should be near the top dot or fill line. If it is close to the lower dot, you'll need to add more oil. If your oil levels are good, replace the dipstick and shut the hood. Place the used oil from your collection pan into an airtight container with a screw-on cap. Make sure the oil is cool before transferring to the container. Used motor oil can be recycled at most auto stores or at recycling centers. Method B, the oil pressure sensor. The oil pressure sensor is most often mounted in the engine block or the cylinder heads. Carefully remove the oil pressure sensor from your vehicle. Visually check the oil pressure sensor's electrical connections and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, replace the oil pressure sensor.
So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Chrysler's P0524 error code.
And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.